mathematics class. Hope all of you are fine. Today we have to learn counting of a number with 10, 100 and thousands. First let's learn how to count by tens to a number. We have a number on the board. It is 24,940. Counting by tens, write next four numbers from 24,940. We will get a number like this and the question will be counting by tens. Write the next three numbers or next four numbers. Counting by tens means it is very easy to do. Add 10 to the given number. If the question is to write three numbers from the given number, we have to add 10 three times. I will show you how to write. Counting by tens, write next three numbers from this number. That will be the question. Then we have to do like this. First, add 10 to this number. 0, 4 plus 1, 5. Here no change. We add 10 for the first time and we got this answer. We have to write three numbers after the given number, and for getting the next number, again add 10 to this number. 0, 5 plus 1, 6, 9, 4, 2. 24,960. Here we got the second number. We add 10 in the second time. For getting the next number, again add 10 to this number. 0, 6 plus 1, 7, 9, 4, 2. 24,970. If the question is counting by tens, write the next three numbers from 24,940. If the question is like that, we can do the calculations like this. Add 10 to the given number, then we will get the first number. This is the first number. Then add 10 to the first number, then we will get the second number. Again, add 10 to the second number, we will get the third number. Hope you understood. And there is a shortcut also for doing this calculation. Counting by tens, write the next four numbers from the given number. Then, since it is counting by tens, for getting the next numbers, find out the tens place in the given number. That is clear for us. We learned in the previous class. This is the tens place. This is ones place and this is tens place. 4 is the number in tens place. We have to find out the next numbers. It is very easy to write. No need of any calculations. Just write the next number instead of this digit here. I will show you. The next number will be 24,900. 4 is the number in tens place. Write the next number. Add 1 to the number in tens place. It is 4 here. 4. Next number 4 plus 1. That is 5. Write 5 there. 5. No change for the number in ones place. Next number. It is counting by tens. Find out the number in tens place. It is 5. Write the next number after 5. 24,960. It was 4, then it is 5, then it comes to 6. What will be the next number? Very easy. 24,900. After 6, it is 7, 970. If the question is counting by tens, write the next numbers. Just find out the number in tens place and add 1 to that number. Then you will get the remaining numbers. Is it an easy way? Have you understood? Counting by hundreds. Sometimes you will get a number like this. Then we may suppose to write the next 4 or 5 numbers counting by hundreds. Counting by hundreds means add 100 to the given number. That we already learned. It is familiar to us. We did the same calculation in counting by 10 that we did, and here we have to count a given number with the 100. How to do the calculation? It is very easy. Add 100 to the given number. Three, 5, 3 plus 1, 4. 8,453 will be the first number. Then we may have to write 3 or 4 numbers and find out the next number. Then counting by 100, add 100 to the first number again. Now change for the numbers in ones and tens place. 4 plus 1, 5, 8. 8,553. That is the second number. Then for getting the next number, again add 100 to the second number. 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 8. 8,653 is the third number. If the question is counting by 100, write the next numbers. Simply add 100 to the given number. Here the number is 8,353. Add 100 to the given number, you will get the first number. Again add 100 to the answer, we will get the second number. Again add 100 to the second number, we will get the third number. Then if we need one more number, add 100 to this number. And of course, it also has a shortcut. 8,353. Counting by hundreds, we have to write the next numbers. Then find out the digit in hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Number 3 is in hundreds place. Then for getting the next numbers, it is very easy. Add 1 to the number in hundreds place. 8,000. 3 is the number. Write the next number. 3 plus 1, that is 4 is the next number. Write that number. 8,453 is the next number. Add 100 again. No need to do the addition and all. Just change the number in hundreds place. 8,453 is the first number. To get the second number, just write the next number in hundreds place. 4 is the number now in hundreds place. Write the next number. Add 1 to this number. 4 plus 1, 5 is the next number. Then for getting the next number, add 1 to the number in hundreds place. It is 8,000. 5 plus 1, 6. This is a shortcut method to write numbers counting by hundreds. I hope both the methods you have understood. The next is counting by thousands. Similar to the calculations we did in the case of tens and hundreds. Here we have to find out the next numbers counting by thousands to the given number. Very easy, add 1000 to the given number. Then to get the next numbers counting by thousands, add 1000 to the given number. 9 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 4. This is the first number. Then we got the next number as 4429. Then to get the next number, add 1000 to the first number. Again add 1000 to get the next number. 9 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 5. 5429. Counting by thousands, we have got two numbers. 3429 is the first number, is the given number. We add 1000 to this number, then we got 4429. Again, to get the next number, we added 1000 to this number, then we got 5429. This is the calculation to find out numbers counting by thousands. What is the easy method to find out the numbers easily without doing these calculations? Yes, I know you now you have learned it. 3429 is the number given. Counting by thousands, we have to find out the next number. So find out the digit in thousands place in the given number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. 3 is the number in thousands place. 3 is the number in thousands place. Then counting by 1000, next number, very easy, change the number in thousands place. 3 is the digit in thousands place in this number. Write the next number. 4 is the next number. No change for other numbers. There are exceptions, but usually we can do the calculation like this. Then next number. 3 was the first number. Then we change that to 4. Next is 5. 5429. Counting by 1000, next number. What is the number comes in thousands place after 5? That is 6. 3 is the first number in thousands place. Change that to the next number. That is 4. We got the second number. We got the third number. Hope you understood. Practice it with some examples, then learn it. Write the expanded form. Write the expanded form of a number. How can we expand this number? The asking style is different, but the concept we already learned. Write the expanded form of a number means write the place values of each digit in a given number. That we learned already. It is very easy for us. We have a number on the board. It is 3785. Then writing the expanded form of a number. It is very easy. Then the expanded form of this number. Take each digit and write its place values. 3 is the first digit and 3 is in thousands place. So the place value of 3 is 3000 plus. Then check the next digit in the given number. It is 7. 7 is in hundreds place. So the place value of 7 is 700. The next number is 8 and 8 is in tens place. So the place value of 8 in this given number is 8 is in tens place. So it is 80. 5 is the next number that is in ones place. So it is 5. If we add all these numbers, we will get this number. 3785. The expanded form of this number is this. And how can we write the expanded form? Very easy. Write the place values of each digit in the given number by putting plus symbol between them, and that will be the expanded form of a number. Understood? Another small idea, a small concept to learn. Short form or standard form of a number. How can we write short form or standard form of a number? That also is very easy. We can see an expanded form of a number on the board. This is the expanded form of a number. Then how can we find out short form or standard form of a number from this expanded form? Very easy. Just add the numbers in the expanded form together. The answer will be the short form or standard form of the number. Shall we find out the short form or standard form of these numbers? Then for that, add the numbers together. 7000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 6. Do you know this type of additions? Then add the numbers in ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place. Add the numbers in ones place. 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 6. Only 6. Here also in tens place also only one digit, that is 3. Next is 8. 7. 7, 8, 3, 6. 7836 is the answer, and that is the 7836 is the short form or standard form of these numbers. Given is the expanded form of a number, and we add all that numbers together to get the standard form or short form of a number. Understood? Let's do some exercises.